In this video I'll show you how to program speed limit unlock and install drivers for your motherboard of XIAOMI Electric Scooter Essential. In the beginning, once the app is installed and ST link is also set up, go to Scooter Hacking Reflasher. Now, select your scooter. Unfortunately, this app does not have Scooter Essential, so you have to select XIAOMI Scooter Lite because they work the same in this app. Leave the peripheral for drivers and here enter serial number of your scooter. Next, you can change total distance traveled and then launch recovery after you've connected it with your motherboard. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.